In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate contacts in Pipedrive. Duplicate contacts can creep into any CRM through imports, form submissions, or manual entry, and they make reporting and follow-up harder than it needs to be. Pipedrive includes a built-in way to find and merge duplicates so your database stays clean and reliable. Here's how to do it with confidence. Start by logging into Pipedrive. Once you're in, head to Tools and Apps and choose Merge Duplicates. This opens a list of possible duplicate contacts that Pipedrive has identified for you. Think of this page as a set of suggestions. You decide what actually gets merged. Pipedrive flags duplicates by looking for matching fields. For people, it compares things like a shared name and email, a repeated phone number, or the same organization. For organizations, it looks at the name and address. These signals are helpful, but they aren't perfect, so take a moment to review each suggestion carefully before taking action. Browse the list to find entries you know represent the same person or company. When you're confident 2 or more records are duplicates, select the records you want to merge. A quick tip here is to cross-check the email address and phone number for people, and the official company name and physical address for organizations. Small variations in spelling or formatting can hide real duplicates, so read closely. Next, choose the primary record. This choice matters because the primary record is the one whose data will be prioritized if there are conflicts. For example, if 2 records have different job titles or phone numbers, Pipedrive will keep the values from the primary record. A good rule of thumb is to pick the record that's the most complete or the most up-to-date. Before you finalize anything, click Preview. The preview shows how the merged record will look once the data is combined. Scan through the details, confirm that the key fields are correct, and make sure you're not accidentally merging 2 different people or organizations with similar names. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust your selection or choose a different primary record. When everything looks accurate, confirm the merge. Keep in mind that once merged, you cannot undo this action, so it's worth taking an extra moment to double-check. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to skip a pair and revisit it later. That's it. Repeat this process for other suggested duplicates, and you'll quickly bring your contact list back into shape. Clean data makes outreach smoother, reporting clearer, and your entire sales process more efficient.